The whole collection is about the sea, about traveling, about trade routes, and that's why, like, for example, these are recycled glass from Ghana. I love this idea that, you know, glass will go through the ocean and will, you know, be inside tides, and then it'll surface in some sand and tell a story of time and travel.
That is so perfect. Quintessential global style, Jessie.
Absolutely.
And you were a formally trained pastry chef.
Yeah.
So how did we fall into the world of jewelry?
I never trained as a jeweler. I could never find like a contemporary African kind of bold ornamentation. A lot of it, most of African jewelry that you see is just produced in China and bought in. So like I wanted to know like how to wear this sort of bold jewelry, but to have it 100% made here, made with the materials from here or our continent. So I was traveling India and Spain. I had a lot of time in my hands on like a 36-hour train rides. They're known for jewelry. It's made out of rope and woven materials. So I just played around and I carried on playing, and then I started to find that, hey, this is kind of cool. And then like I made 8 pieces and someone photographed them, and then they got onto a well-known blog, and before I knew it I was doing the accessories at Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week. And then
can you tell us anything about your upcoming collection?
So what my new collection is it's kind of, it's very 70s. It's slightly, I don't know if you know the fashion photographer Helmut Lang, and obviously, and the way he photographed women in the 70s and the 80s was incredibly powerful. The main thing that I think about the brand is it's not just about jewelry, it's about brave women creating beautiful, bold jewelry for other brave women. It's like this energetic exchange between women.
And your mission is very much similar with ours, because we're really focused on sharing international style, but globally through women. So this was incredible.
It's suddenly when you emanating that intention, all the women and all the people who resonate on that same frequency seem to get drawn. And it's just this beautiful kind of energetic dance between people who are like-minded.
I love that. You just gave me goosebumps. Just gave me goosebumps with that. We can dance. Thank you so much.